Hide beetles, sometimes referred to as skin beetles, leather beetles, or taxidermy beetles, are stored product pests known to target leather and dried or cured meats. While infamous in museums for targeting animal exhibits and preserved specimens, these beetles can also break out in homes to ruin food and furniture. In this video, we'll go over how to identify hide beetles, how to control an infestation, and how to prevent hide beetles from breaking out in the future. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first step in any pest control plan is to identify the problem. Careless identification can lead to the wrong treatment methods, which can cost time and money. Adult hide beetles can grow fairly large, ranging from 6 to 13 millimeters in length. They are uniformly dark gray to black in color and are covered in whitish hairs. Dense patches of white hair can be seen on the sides of their thoraxes and their undersides. Larval hide beetles, when mature, are about 13 millimeters long, are covered in long hairs, and have 2 spines on their tail ends that curve up and towards their head ends. Hide beetles can commonly be mistaken for other meat-infesting pests, like larder beetles. These two share similar characteristics and feeding habits, however, they are different pests that require different approaches to treatment. To tell the two apart, pay attention to their coloration. While the wing covers of hide beetles are roughly uniform in color, larder beetles feature a yellow band with dark spots across their wing covers. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Look for hide beetle activity in garages, attics, basements, pantries, and other storage areas. Hide beetles will infest leather and other animal products, so check out carpeting, rugs, and clothing made with fur or feathers. If any birds or rodents have invaded and nested in the attic or elsewhere in your home, their carcasses, when they pass away, provide attractive food sources for these beetles. In your pantry, check easily opened food products. Check dried meats, fish, cheeses, and pet food for beetles, larvae, or molted skins. When larvae have fully matured, they will burrow into hard substances like wood in order to pupate, so check furniture, structural supports, or other materials like styrofoam for holes that are about 6 millimeters in diameter. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products settle completely. The first step to eliminating hide beetles from your property is to conduct a preliminary cleanup. Collect all infested items, wash and dry them, or dispose of them to remove all adult beetles and larvae that are hiding within. When cleaning clothes, be sure to wash and dry them with hot water and high heat. Animal hides and skins can be steamed on the first side. You may also be able to freeze some items to eliminate beetles and objects that are sensitive to heat. Vacuum the floor, furniture, animal pelts, and the corners of rooms. Be sure to throw out the vacuum's contents outdoors when you're done. Finally, if you've found beetles infesting food in your pantry, you should dispose of everything in paper or thin plastic packaging. If you found at least one infested package, odds are there are beetles and larvae in your other packaged foods. Next, apply FiPro foaming aerosol. FiPro is made with fipronil, a non-repellent insecticide. This foam product quickly expands to cover all surfaces in a crack, crevice, or void. Spray along the lengths of crevices where you found beetles or where you suspect they are hiding. In voids, spray long enough for the product to expand and cover the entire surface area. When applied properly, beetles will travel through the treated areas normally and make contact with the chemical. Beetles affected by FiPro will have their nervous systems impacted and die within a few hours. One application of FiPro will control treated areas for up to 30 days. Once indoor beetle activity has stopped, apply an outdoor crack and crevice application around your home or structure with Supreme IT. Supreme IT is a bifenthrin-based liquid suspended concentrate that is labeled to treat over 70 different pests. When applied, Supreme IT will leave a residual chemical barrier that will control pests for up to 90 days after application. This product will need to be mixed with water. For residential treatments, you can mix and apply your Supreme IT in a handheld sprayer or a backpack sprayer. To use as a crack and crevice application, mix 0.33 to 1 whole fluid ounce of Supreme IT into 1 gallon of water to treat every 1,000 square feet. Spray your solution into cracks and crevices in the exterior foundation, in window and door frames, and other voids in the walls. Do not let people or pets around treated areas until the spray has completely dried. Beetles and other pests that make contact with the spray or the residual barrier will have their nervous systems impacted and will die within several hours. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. Start by sealing exterior entry points around your home or structure. Large gaps can be stuffed with copper mesh, while tighter cracks and crevices should be sealed with caulk or an expanding foam like Sealator Pro. Look for thin cracks and openings in the foundation, around window and door frames, and utility penetrations. By blocking access to your property, you can stop small animals from nesting and providing food sources for hide beetles when they die, and prevent the hide beetles from invading themselves. Next, continue to store food and pet food outside of their original packaging and within sealable containers. By keeping food in airtight containers, you can stop infestations from spreading. If an infestation starts inside a sealed container, that means the food was already infested before it went in, and you can throw it out without risking the rest of your pantry. Finally, keep up with preventive applications of your pesticide products. Supreme IT will last for up to 90 days in normal weather conditions, and FiPro will last up to 30 days. You can apply Supreme IT around your home's perimeter quarterly and FiPro once a month to maintain control year-round. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop hide beetles from infesting and ruining your food or furniture, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.